If you're a family looking for a calm at home and easy access to Bali's hotspot, welcome to Desa Kaba Kaba. It's very peaceful, green, and also just a short drive to Canggu and also Bali's beaches. And most importantly, it's very close to Green School. Hello, I'm Army, and today I am showing you this thoughtfully designed 3-bedroom villa on 547 square meter of land and on about 300 square meter of living space. It has natural wood, clean lines, and as you can see, the generous glass connect the indoor space and outdoor. Contemporary design, warm and perfect for families. What I love the most is that it's built with sustainability in mind, including this recycled material terrace decking. Everything is under one roof, so your bedtime, study time for your kids, and family time flow naturally from the bedroom to the living space to the garden and pool. Our favorite part, the heart of the home, open plan living, dining, kitchen with high ceiling and tall glass doors that fill the space with a natural light. Clear sightlines to the garden and pool make it easy to keep an eye on your kids while you're cooking, working, or even relaxing. There are 3 ensuite bedrooms and 2 of them facing the pools and rice field, so your first view every morning is green and calm. Muted tones, natural textures, and large windows frame the landscape like living art, private yet never closed off. Bathrooms keep the same minimal, elegant feel. Practicalities for family life are dialed in. A guest powder room, dedicated storage, a proper laundry space, and a whole home water filtration system, so day-to-day living stays easy and of course healthy. The pool is a centerpiece and the sunken lounge is right by a small stream, so it's perfect for your reading time, kids' playtime, hang out with your friends, or even sunset chats. And the terrace decking uses the recycled materials, adding durability and also lighter environmental footprint. That's tropical living done right. Beautiful, functional, and sustainably built. Designed for families, this home balances aesthetic, function, privacy, and connections. With a 28-year leasehold and quality constructions, it's such a beautiful home and smart investment for you. There are 3 villas available here. 2 of them has been completed and the other one is projected to be finished by the end of the year. So you have an option to acquire them together as an exclusive boutique community. Secure yours today, message us to book your private tour. Come and see what life looks like in Kaba Kaba. It's even better in person.